As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength and mass, a process known as sarcopenia. But new science shows this decline isn't inevitable. Inside our muscles, changes in mitochondria, stem cells, and even tiny fat droplets can slow us down. However, research reveals that with the right strategies, muscle function can be restored, even after years of decline. The most powerful tool? Regular exercise. Combining resistance training for strength and aerobic activity for metabolic health activates anti-aging mechanisms that no pill can match. Nutrition matters too. Older adults need more protein, spread throughout the day, and healthy fats like omega-3s to support muscle repair and reduce inflammation. Emerging therapies target muscle stem cells, aiming to rejuvenate their ability to repair tissue. But the foundation remains simple. Move consistently, eat well, and address whole body health. It's never too late to start. Every step, every meal, and every workout helps your muscles stay strong, resilient, and ready for life.